Tucked away in the Smoky Mountains, the Alpine Mountain Coaster blends scenic mountain views with pure downhill adrenaline. Surrounded by towering trees and winding mountain trails, it's the perfect mix of peaceful scenery and high speed excitement. In this video, we'll slowly climb through quiet mountain scenery where relaxation takes over, before speeding downhill through sharp turns and fast drops, and eventually discovering that the guy ahead of me apparently believes brake checking exists on roller coasters too. So let's get started. Unlike traditional roller coasters, Alpine coasters let you control your own speed using handbrakes, which means some people treat this like Formula One and others drive like they're in a school zone. The Alpine Mountain Coaster in Pigeon Forge is usually one of the longest downhill coasters in the United States, stretching through the Smoky Mountain landscape with multiple sharp curves and drops. If you are planning to ride, there are few requirements as well. Drivers usually need to be at least 56 inches tall and 16 years old to ride alone, while passengers can ride with the adult if they're at least 38 inches tall and 3 years plus. There are also combined rider weight limit that can vary depending on weather conditions, but it's usually around 375 pounds per cart. Tickets are typically priced per ride, usually around 18 to 20 for adults and slightly cheaper for children, with discounts available for multiple rides. They also offer both day and night rides, and honestly, the experience feels completely different once the mountain lights turn on after sunset. The uphill section might actually be the most relaxing part of the entire ride, which slowly climbs through the peaceful jungle like mountain scenery, breathing in the cool air, listening to the quiet sounds of nature, birds, and animals, and feeling completely calm before the gravity starts making decisions for you. Dive into the beauty of the Smoky Mountains as the coaster gently pulls you uphill through the trees, creating a surprisingly peaceful moment right before the adrenaline kicks in.
Please push your handles forward now and enjoy your.
Fun fact: Alpine coasters let you control your own speed using handbrakes, which sounds great until the person in front of you discovers fear halfway down the mountain. In this case, that person was my dad. While I was mentally preparing for a fast and furious scene through the Smoky Mountains, he was carefully driving like he was transporting fragile groceries, which meant my high speed downhill adventure quickly became a very scenic guided tour. The ride was really fun, adventurous, calm, and relaxing. Would I come here again? Definitely. Would I come here again with my father? Yes, but not with he being in front of me. Next time, he will be
Please keep your
behind me.
handles down until the end of the ride.
Until this point, everything was great until my father remembered the brakes existed.
Let go, let go.